Hi, Tim from MAP-Torch, and today I want to talk about some of the features of our agility torch. The first key feature about this torch is it's regulator operated. So this torch can be used in any orientation with your fuel bottle. Next, it's a hose torch, as you can see. This is a really cool feature because this allows you to get into tight spaces, and it also limits the amount of weight of the torch. So you don't have the fuel bottle hanging off your torch like traditional torches because of the hose. Next, this torch is trigger operated, so it's instant on. So when you press the trigger, the torch comes on. When you let go, the torch goes off. There is a lock feature on the front of the torch. So when you press it and then hold the lock in, now it's hands-free. So for longer use cases, use the torch without keeping it squeezed. And then to let go of it, just push the trigger again and let it up. The torch has a swirl flame profile, you can see here. So it's a sort of a bushier flame. This is a really good flame profile for heating up larger surface areas. So larger diameter copper pipe, plates, or larger pools. The torch comes with a carrying case. So the cylinder can be on your side, giving you more hands-free use. You can actually put the torch in here for complete hands-free use and for carrying it while you're doing other stuff on the job site. And lastly, this torch is compatible with both our MAP-Pro and our propane fuel sources. For more information on our agility torch, please visit us at magtorch.com.